Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp, Introduction to CSS. I've got a little bit of wrapping up to do. I want to make sure that all of these other pages work the same way as this first page. So we've got to actually copy the new HTML that we wrote for the index page. We wrote some new HTML for it just a couple of lessons ago. We need to copy that to our other pages. Also, this purple one, that's not working out for me. So what we need to do is we need to make sure our visited color is the same as our unvisited color. So let's see. You know what? I also don't have any use for that being gray. I mean, it was cute, but you know, not something I care about. Okay, so the visited color by default is that purple. Let's make it the same color as the normal links. Okay, so all right, let's save it. Okay, yeah, that looks a lot better. Looks pretty cool. All right, so here's our folder full of things. That's our style sheet. That's in our CSS folder. I'm going to go up to the Developer On-Ramp folder. And let's see, I want to open forms, tables, web graphics, what is HTML? We've already done the index. That might be all of them. I might be missing something. Anyway, I'm going to open them all with Notepad++. So they're all open now. And I'm going to go from my index and get this new version of the header. Just paste it throughout. Remember, we took out these pipes that were separating each one and turned it into a list of unordered list of anchor tags. So I'm just going through and pasting these, and then I will save all. Okay, and then let's check it out. What is HTML? Oh yeah, look at that. HTML tags, web graphics, tables, forms. Okay, so we have given our old website an entirely new look. Looks a lot better. All right, thanks for tuning in.